Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the incredible features of the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop, a powerhouse of cleaning technology designed to make your life easier. With up to 75 days of hands-free maintenance, this 8-in-1 functional base automatically empties debris, refills water, and even washes and dries the mop pads with hot water and air to prevent mold and mildew. Boasting an unbeatable 16,200 pascals suction power, the J15 Pro Ultra tackles all floor types with ease, thanks to its advanced aluminum fan that enhances motor performance and heat dissipation. Its unique flex arm design and rounded square body ensure edge-to-edge cleaning, reaching tight spots and corners while eliminating stubborn stains and hidden dirt. Say goodbye to tangled hair with the FlexiRazor Anti-Hair Tangling Technology, which operates at 400 cuts per minute to keep your robot running smoothly. The intelligent dirt detection system accurately identifies both dry and wet messes, adjusting its cleaning method for optimal results. Whether it's prioritizing mopping for wet spills or reducing side brush speed for dry debris, the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra is your ultimate cleaning companion. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.